all we are saying, whatever is the impression of our leaders at the national level about Imo State, which is that APC is Imo and Imo is APC, we are here to work to prove them right. We're going to embark on a massive sensitization. Our people are willing because they have seen the difference. We have materials to campaign. Yes. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has done extremely very well. The reform agenda is working. The Renewed Hope agenda is also working. APC manifesto has been realized and implemented. So there is no reason for us, even our opponents will vote for us in Imo State. I have always said that Imo is APC and APC is Imo. So if you want to be my friend, the first question is, what was the result of your vote? So today we want to support our party chairman. When we say that the party is supreme, this is the time. You are only supreme if you are winning. Yes. If you are not winning, you are not supreme. Experience has shown in the past that party vehicles are not given to the party when handed over to the elected chairman. Please use the vehicle for the party. It is important that the vehicle will be used for the party. It doesn't stop you from time to time intervening, handling one or two issues, but the vehicle is meant for the party. I've called also council chairman. There is only one reason why I called council chairman. You have gone to local government and nobody can talk to you. You are only a chairman because you are a member of APC.
Yes, sir.
So if you are operating as a chairman without the party, you are not a chairman yet.
Yes,
to look for a party chairman. The most important election we have today is the presidential election. The reason is because as Bola Ahmed Tinubu has done very, very well, to the envy of the opposition party. You can call him names, you can say whatever you like, but you cannot deny the fact that things are improving and the achievements are tangible. We do our best to ensure that we will succeed in the campaign. I cannot deliver the president without you people.
Yes, sir.
We will come together and work together so that together we will also win. 100%, I don't want 99.5%. We will convince our opponents and our party or the party agents of other parties to vote for us. So we are now going to quickly round up what we are doing in Imo State. Take along with us our sister states. Go out to Nigeria and ask, how are you? Because this question is important.
Yes, sir.
We must be seen that we contributed something to the federation. And we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that our people will understand this. We will understand it. No matter even if you like, be a professor of artificial intelligence. Politics is what you sow is what you will reap. There's no true mathematics inside.